Look for a potential.
Handa kami tata dito'y ay, Tagalog. Andito po kami ngayon sa English ka no? We are here in the BSU Nature Park located at Longlong, La Trinidad, Benguet. And we are here because they invited us to check out the first established eco trail, okay, here in their nature park. So hopefully we will see how good the trail is, and later on you can also come and visit this place. Aside from the eco trail, they also have here, okay, a collection of different insects, okay. Basta you can just come and visit this place, okay. Before you come, you can contact the Benguet State University. Just go to their public information office and they will provide you with the necessary information, okay, how you can come and visit this place. So later on, we will show you the first ever established eco trail here in Benguet State University Nature Park, Longlong, Pugis, La Trinidad, Benguet. So that's it. Enjoy the trail.
Yan, buo na yan. May cream mo dyan, kumpleto. Ito lang yung isa lang na cream.
Ito naman silkworm. Punta naman ako sa silkworm sa...
Baka. November natin.
Kasi anong brand yung maganda niya?
Galak di sa galak at pas na itilawan ni katawa. Silaw di kuiba. Teka na rin. Environment na. Really that. Ano namin yung entrance fees?
Nakapublish na po kasi kakausapin na lang natin.
Sige sir. Pinagdita. May sa.
Kaya makikita naman dyan sa kung isa ba? Kaya nabili.
Sunod na yan.
Anong tarakan ito eh.
Mayroon na parang
Yeah, of course. Maybe in the hotel.
Oh, watch out your step, ah. 6 months, okay.
Ano nila? Sana pag ginupitan nila, yung gandun kunan.
May kanya.
uwi pa lang ngayon. Stress ka. Meron sa kita nga dun. Sige.
Part of the eco trail is to pass by the Animal Genetic Resources Conservancy, sabi niya. Okay? So actually inside, you can see various kinds of animals like monkeys, eagles, swans, chickens, native pigs, 2 small turtles, and a lot more. Okay? But as always, before going inside, you should always ask permission from the person in charge. Thank you very much, and let's go to this side.